Hello. So today I will explain you how you can install the Python. So for that one, just visit any browser and type Python. So it will go to this page, download Python. So here the latest version available is 3.9.1. So if you want any older version, you can download from this window or just download from here. So now I am downloading from here Python 3.9.1. So I am clicking download. So it will give this .exe file. So once it is downloaded, just open. So it is downloaded. I am visiting this download Python 3.91. So I'll give right click, open. So now install, and always remember, please give tick mark here, select this one, add Python to the Python variable, otherwise it will you are unable to open through the command prompt. So I am adding this one, Python 3.92 path, install now. So one pop-up will come, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Just wait for installation process. It will take a couple of minutes. Now setup was successful. I will close this window. Now I want to verify whether the installation is done properly or not. For that one, what I will do is I will open command prompt. Open command prompt. Here you can type Python. So now if you see here Python 3.9.1, so it is installed successfully and properly. Now what we need to do is we need to install some packages to work with Python. So for that one, what I will show you is how we can install the two packages called NumPy pandas. So for that I will use pip command. So pip will help you to install these packages. So for that one I am opening a fresh command prompt. So here I will type pip. So pip will give the various commands like install for installing package, download for downloading package, uninstall for uninstall package, so many. So what I will do is enter pip install numpy. So it will start collecting, then it will install packages. Now NumPy package installed successfully. Now I want to install the package called the pandas. So for this one, pip install pandas. Start installing the pandas package. So this is done. So in this way you can install the any package. Now you want to verify the package whether they are installed properly. So now what I will do is I will enter Python. So it will enter into the Python command. Now I will check import. So I want to check NumPy. So import NumPy. So it is executed successfully. Now similarly import pandas. So now it is also, so in this way you can install the packages, you can import, and then you can verify whether the packages are installed properly or not. So if you have any doubts, please mention in comments. Thank you all.